Namaste, hola, welcome back. This is Pooja Sharma, your friend, guru, and guide. And today's video, I'm going to do predictions for all 12 zodiac signs, and I'm going to tell you how your upcoming month, December 2020, will look like. So, watch this video and also like it and share it with all your family and friends so that according to their star sign also they can see what December month holds for them. Also, if you have any question or feedback, do leave us a comment. I personally read all the comments and reply to each one of them. All right. So now with this, let's start this amazing December 2020 predictions. These predictions I'm going to use tarot. However, I'm also going to use numerology and astrology along with it. So, दिसंबर का महीना जैसे कि हम जानते हैं साल का आखिरी 12वां महीना है. 12 का जोड़ 3 जुपिटर. So, this will be a very eventful month. बहुत समय से, in fact, almost after March, we've been sitting at home, and now things are economy, everything, they're coming back to normal now. Things are looking much better overall. So December month, along with the freezing cold, comes with a lot of things. Moongfali, gajak, chikki, and a promise of starting a new year. बहुत जल्दी मैं 2021 आने वाला साल कैसा जाएगा उसकी भी प्रिडिक्शन सभी 12 राशियों की करूंगी. तो आज ये वीडियो रिलीज हो रहा है जिसमें दिसंबर की प्रिडिक्शन है, और बहुत ही जल्द, जैसे मैंने कहा, आने वाला साल सभी राशियों के लिए कैसे होगा वो भी प्रिडिक्शन होगी. तो दिसंबर के महीने में हम अपने न्यू ईयर प्लान्स, न्यू ईयर रेजोल्यूशंस, आने वाले साल के क्या गोल्स होंगे, क्या माइलस्टोन्स होंगे जो हम अचीव करना चाहते हैं प्रोफेशनली, पर्सनली, ये सब प्लानिंग शुरू हो जाती है दिसंबर का महीना आते ही. तो चलिए, जैसे मैंने कहा, 12th मंथ, लास्ट मंथ ऑफ द ईयर, जुपिटर, एंड जो पूरा साल रहा है 2020, दैट एड्स अप टू नंबर 4 विच इज फॉर राहु. So that is why we had challenges, but at the same time, technology came into picture. You know, the expansion happened for technology. Everybody is working from home. All this happens with Rahu. Okay, अब हम शुरू करते हैं prediction, and let's begin with Aries or Mesh. Okay, and I have a few card decks here, and I'm going to make symbols, Reiki symbols, and charge them in front of you. So Aries, let's find out. I'm an Arian myself. It's a fire sign, और लॉर्ड होता है एरीज का मार्स. जो मेष राशि है उनका जो लॉर्ड है वो होता है मार्स, एनर्जी, फायर एलिमेंट. So let's see Aries, how your December 2020 will look like. Now, Arians, I see lot of abundance and lot of positive changes. Okay, I have an abundance card. So money should not be a problem. If you are employed, self-employed, you will get new opportunities. Money will knock your door, provided you work hard. I also have a change card, which is a positive change. This reflects transformation, self-growth, provided you work on yourself. तो जब हमें मालूम है कि आने वाला टाइम ही ऐसा है, ऑल द मोर रीजन वी एक्सेलरेट व्हाट वी आर डूइंग and we start investing our time and energies on our self growth. Okay, do whatever clicks to you. Enough resources are available all around with the grace of God. You like yoga, you like meditation, you like counseling, you want to learn Reiki. If you need any help from us, description box has got our contact details. You can always get in touch with us for any kind of counseling, or if you want to learn Reiki, or if you want to learn tarot or astrology, whatever, you can always contact us. Otherwise, from wherever you want to pick up any skill set, it's a free world, it's up to you. The point is that lot of positive changes are coming in your life, both financially, also at the individual level, your self growth level. So please focus there, please make it your priority. Also, something that has been going on for a while will come to completion or closure now. I have a completion card. सो हो सकता है कि बहुत महीनों से या बहुत सालों से आप किसी चीज पे काम कर रहे थे जो सिरे नहीं चढ़ रही थी. नाउ दिस इज द time when those projects, it could be assignments, or it could be maybe you're dating somebody and the relationship is not getting formalized, you're not getting engaged, or maybe you're engaged to somebody but you and your fiance are not able to get married so far. So all those things will be brought to closure. So Aries, overall very good month for you. Like I said, lot of abundance your way, positive changes. So time for self growth and transformation, and unfinished task will come to closure. And now if we have to say, is there anything that we should be careful of, or is there something we should take precaution for? So let's see. Yes, for those of you who get marriage proposals, please do not take impulsive decisions. Also, in terms of your man woman relationship, go slow. I have a marriage or a deep affair card. So maybe don't jump into things in terms of your personal relationships. Go slow, take it light. And the lucky crystal for you for this month will be yellow citrine. You can order it from us also if you want. And we always energize crystals with your date of birth and then send it to you. Otherwise, from wherever you buy it, make sure it's the highest quality. All the crystals work on Einstein equation, E is equal to mc square. So whatever crystal you pick up, make sure it's good quality, because it's going to add value into your life. So this is about Aries, how your December 2020 will look like. So now let's see how December 2020 will look like for Taurus, Taurians और वृष राशि. तो देखते हैं टॉरियंस का दिसंबर महीना कैसा होगा. ओवरऑल इनका जो लॉर्ड है, लॉर्ड इज वीनस, शुक्र, which gives us lot of luxury in our life. All the luxury that we have in our day-to-day life is all thanks with the grace of Venus or Shukra. So now let's see Taurians, how your entire month will look like. Taurians, first of all, I want you to know that people around you, there might be some politics going on around you. Okay, so if you're working somewhere, maybe in your office, make sure your employees or maybe your colleagues, what is cooking up, keep your eyes open. See, you should not be a part of any witch hunt. Maybe somebody is making plans to spoil your reputation, so just be cautious. This can lead to some stress also for you. So you have to learn tools and techniques to manage your stress, because stress will happen. This politics not necessary is at workplace. If let's say you're a housewife, this can mean at home or extended family also. So you have to ensure that nobody is harming you, and a lot of stress coming because of this. So you need to manage this stress, you need to handle this. Also, Taurians, what is good for you this month is we have a new vision card. So this is the time for you to think or plan or start a new project or new assignment or something that you've been wanting to do since long. Okay, so new perspective, new vision, new changes, something new is coming in your life. So please enhance your energy so that this can be manifested into reality ASAP. Okay, so anything that you've been thinking of since long but not able to do it, this is the time. Please do it. In terms of lucky crystal for you, I will say try and wear lava crystal. That will give you a lot of protection against all these enemies. जो भी ये शत्रु नुकसान पहुंचाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, तो आप लावा क्रिस्टल पहनेंगे, that'll be very very beneficial for you. And once again, you can always order it from us, and our details are mentioned in the description box. Let's move on to Geminis, मिथुन राशि, और देखते हैं उनका दिसंबर का महीना कैसा जाने वाला है. जो अगर हम बात करते हैं जेमिनाइज की, उनका लॉर्ड है मरकरी, बुध, ठीक है. एंड मरकरी इज फॉर स्पीच. ओके, सो मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स यू वुड सी जेमिनाइज, दे आर टॉकेटिव पीपल. नाउ इन टर्म्स ऑफ देयर कार्ड भी देखिए क्या कमाल का आया है. So now December 2020 Gemini, new relationship, lot of man woman relationship, love, romance coming your way. Singles might get lot of proposals. If you're already in a relationship, your bonding will become stronger. So lot of love and romance in this month is shown for you. Also, this is a time wherein you are leaving your negative things. It could be a negative habit, it could be something unwanted situation or people who do not serve you any good right now. So basically a deep level cleansing is happening in you and around you in your life, जेमिनाइज। जो चीज़ें आपके लिए दुखदायक है, नुकसान पहुंचाने वाली हैं, वो आपके जीवन से धीरे धीरे जा रही हैं। एंड अ डीप क्लिनजिंग, जैसे ऊपर बिजली कड़क रही है, थंडरबोल्ट, something shocking, and something shocking will happen in your life this month that can even shake you, but it is for your good, because lot of catharsis is happening for you. Catharsis is what? When the negativity comes out. Okay. And once again, I have a dream card. If you see man and woman, okay, this man holding this woman beautifully in his arms. So this lady is sitting here and she's dreaming. She's been always fantasizing, when will my hero come on that white horse, when will my lover, when will my prince charming come. That has been dream. That has been this girl's dream. This girl is a Gemini right now. Okay, that is what it is depicting. And this man is finally entering her life. And initially we got the lovers card also. Okay, so this is the time when you do remedies and maybe some affirmations and follow law of attraction, to ensure that your soulmate, your twin flame comes into your life. So you can do affirmations. Although I conduct a training, a course on how to program subconscious mind, wherein I teach about affirmations. And in fact, let me make a separate video on that. But for now, affirmations are positive statement that you can say or write. You can do it anytime, but because the subconscious mind is most active early morning and before you sleep in the night, so those are the two best timings to do it. So you can do affirmation, you can do various remedies, crystals, aromatherapy to attract your soulmate, because it's there in the aura already. You have to manifest it. You have to manifest that reality into the reality. That is what it is. You can try wearing rose quartz. It will really help you. Moving on to Cancerians, कर्क राशि देखते हैं दिसंबर कैंसेरियंस के लिए कैसा जाने वाला है। इनका जो लॉर्ड है वो मून है, चंद्रमा। So this at times gives us mood swings, duality, but also makes us very creative, expressive. So Cancerians, December 2020, there is going to be stress. And what I also see is that due to various factors, you've isolated yourself, okay? It's like you have quarantined yourself emotionally for quite some time, which is not good, okay? So stress is happening and isolation, okay? This is not good, okay? आपने अपने दिल के दरवाजे बंद कर दिए हैं किसी के लिए भी. This is not healthy. You'll get frustrated and you'll burst. फट जाएंगे आप. So you need to make friends. You're not able to trust people. Maybe somebody has broken your trust, or maybe this month somebody might break your trust. So you have to be very careful. Please understand these are generalized predictions, all right? So most of it will resonate with you, but if 1% of it does not resonate, that's because it's a generalized reading, okay? You can always contact us for your one-to-one specific accurate reading, your personalized horoscope. This is for generalized, for the masses, okay? So you will have trust issues. So basically you need to have courage. You need to work on trust issues. What I'm saying is, I'm not saying that blindfoldedly trust anybody. Weigh all the pros and cons before you give your trust to anybody. See if he or she is worth it or not. But once you've done that, don't have that anxiety, don't be anxious, don't have that overwhelming feeling. Let it go, okay? Because otherwise the stress is going to really kill you. And don't isolate yourself is what I will say. For you, Crystal, I will say black tourmaline. will be good for you. It will keep your aura clean and remove all the negativity. So black tourmaline is the crystal for you. Moving on to Leos, Simha Rashi, जिनका Lord Sun है, Surya है, fire again. So let's see Leos, how your December 2020 will be like. Well, you will have lot of reasons to celebrate. It could be a marriage in the family, or a new child coming in the house. Could be your grandson, granddaughter, whatever. Some celebration, or a new house. So celebration, party time, a big good news in the family. In the family, you'll have reasons to celebrate, and also travel might happen. Travel is on the card for you and your immediate family. You might travel, Leos. Also, you have to be careful. You're a very innocent person, but somebody close to you might cheat on you. So you have to be careful. Innocence card. For example, this man is very innocent, but he's not realizing on his finger there's a Scorpio who's going to bite him, right? So you have to be very careful, Leos, this month. Somebody, maybe extended family or a good friend, somebody whom you trust as a good friend, might cheat on you. So be careful on that. Take precautions. And like I said, travel can happen, and you will have lot of reasons for celebration. So enjoy yourself, let your hair loose, and just have fun. Leo's crystal for you, I would say red carnelian would be a good bet for December. Moving further, let's talk about Virgos, Kanya Rashi. देखते हैं Kanya Rashi का December 2020 how it will be. Mercury once again is the Lord here. Buddh again, communication. So Virgos are going through major energy shift, major transformation. Okay, it's like water changing its form from liquid to becoming vapor, so major transformation going on. And this is a very good time for your spiritual growth. If you want to meditate, you can connect with the source. So lot of wisdom, lot of grace will come to you, Virgos. Also, you will have different experiences. This is the time when I want you to have different experiences, starting from trying different cuisine of food, to meeting different people, maybe online if not going out. So this is the time when you are having different experiences like you've never had before. So encash it, document it, cherish it, and let yourself loose. Please allow yourself, Virgos, to enjoy those experiences. Okay, that is what I have for you. Blue Aventurine would be the crystal for you. Moving on to Libras, and let me reshuffle the cards now. Libra or Tula, okay, air element, and the Lord is Venus, Shukra. So let's see, Librans, Tula Rashi, how your December 2020 will be like. Well, Librans, there is something that you need to let go. Okay, you're holding on to a grudge. Maybe you broke up or you had a fight with somebody, but you're still constantly thinking about them. Your cords are still attached. Like in Reiki, I teach cord cutting. Okay, so see, the other person is not getting affected. It's a poison that you're carrying. Even if you're cribbing or gossiping or cursing them, he's bad, he did this to me, or she's mean, you blaming them, but they're nowhere in the picture. You're only spoiling yourself. So this is the time when you have to let go, otherwise you will feel drained out. Stop being a control freak. You have to give away the control. Somebody has maybe done something wrong to you in the past. I understand, we are not justifying that person or that situation. All I'm trying to say is that that's past, that's already done. You can't undo it, but still holding on to it is spoiling your health and your energy. So please let go of that control, okay? And let go of this negativity. Otherwise, it's going to impact you, Librans, in a very bad manner, and you're going to regret later on. And you know all this already, because the next card confirms that inner voice. Intuitively, at the subconscious mind level, you already know what I'm talking about. Maybe when you're watching this video, this is coming to you as a reminder. Okay, your inner voice already is telling you that it is time for you to move on. You have to let go, you have to move on towards positivity. Your own construction should be more important to you rather than your enemy's destruction. Okay, I always say that your own, to me, my construction is more important than my enemy's destruction. So please follow that. This is a wise advice. When I was in school, once I had some emotional issue, and one of my seniors had given me this advice, and I remember this line by heart. I think I was in ninth standard then. I'm in my 40s now, so I still remember this line. Please remember this. This will help you. This is for Librans and everybody else. Okay, now let's move on to Scorpios and see how December 2020 will be for them. Scorpios or Vrishchik Rashi, and Mars is their Lord Mangal. So let's see how their December 2020 will be. Well, you will be taking part, or you will be participating in different things, Scorpios. It could be different social activities, it could be competitions, it could be some activities, fun events. So participation card. So you will be socializing. This is the time when you'll be socializing a lot, networking with a lot of people, maybe joining hobby classes, things like that. Maybe different social groups, NGO, things like that. You'll be socializing. You'll be like a social butterfly this time. Okay, and also Scorpions, you have to be careful of stress, because you'll be meeting so many people. Make sure you get yourself enough rest and you don't break down, because I have a stress card. So we don't want you to break down. Again, stop controlling things. Meet people, have fun, enjoy. Ensure that you have me time, you have a private space for yourself. At the end of the day, you come back home and you rejuvenate yourself. Okay, keep that me time with you always. And the crystal for you, Scorpions, you can wear quartz, clear quartz or white quartz. That'd be nice for you. Moving on to Sagittarians. Sagittarius, this is the time when you'll be making lot of friends, and you'll be very happy because you'll have amazing understanding with those friends. Okay, you will be understanding your friends will be understanding you. So very compatible, and lot of friends, real good friends around, and you'll be very happy and content. Also, some traveling can happen this month. Maybe you can travel for New Year's or something. Traveling but is going to happen for sure, and this could be couple of trips also. And you going to have lot of abundance, Sagittarians. Okay, so lot of money, you'll be well taken care of, like this guy sitting aram say. Okay, everything coming, pleasure, luxury. So lot of abundance coming your way. To enhance all this luck, what you can do is, in terms of crystal, you can wear lapis lazuli. That'll be nice for you. Moving on to Capricorns, let's see. Capricorns or Makar Rashi, December 2020, Saturn or Shani is their lord. So Capricorn or Makar Rashi, let's see. Capricorns, you will have some delays because I have a postponement card. Okay, so maybe something that you've already started, or you start now, and you have a TAT, okay, turnaround time. You have a expected, or you have certain expectation, but you won't get result within that time frame. So there'll be postponement. However, there's a light at the end of the tunnel, and that's the good news, because delay might happen, postponement might happen, but you will get the result. Because after postponement, I have a celebration card. So whatever you strive for right now, you will get it for sure. Celebration will happen, but be prepared for postponements and delays. When that happens, don't feel bad. Okay, Saturn, Shani is your lord, so you know how it is. And also, make sure you consider all the possibilities. Maybe when the postponement is happening, maybe you get frustrated and you ignore certain possibilities that are around you. So don't do that. Always create backups. See there are other possibilities also around. Ensure that you see them. And the crystal for you that will be nice will be amethyst. Okay. Now moving on to Aquarius or Kumbh Rashi. Aquarius or Kumbh Rashi. Let's see. Well, there, what we see is that somebody has cheated on you in the past. Somebody has lied to you, because I have a morality card. Okay, so somebody has cheated you in terms of morals. So maybe somebody who's married but told you he's single, or he's not married and had a relationship with you, something like that, and you're still clinging on to the past. You're crying, you're weeping, you're still clinging on to the past. So you need to let go. Don't cling on to the past. Let it go and move on. He lied to you or she lied to you, so they don't deserve it. Please move on. Don't compromise. The compromise card is telling me that even after the other person did not show high morals, okay, or but then you still are clinging on to him or her, and you're compromising. So to each to his own. Like I say, we are architects of our own lives, so you will take a call as to what you want to do, but I would strictly recommend, do not be in a compromising situation, because then in a long run you will feel very, very suffocating. Okay, so put your foot down and don't take this as a idle thing. And I will say, wear quartz so that it gives you clarity. Now last but not the least, moving on to Pisces or Mean. Pisces or Mean. Let's see how their December 2020 will look like. Jupiter again here. Well, Pisces, somehow I have a silence card. So they've gone within themselves. So maybe they are disheartened or demotivated, or maybe they have gone through so much that they are being silent, and maybe they're in a introspection mode. They're like, okay, I've been there, I've done it all, I'm through, I've had saturation, let me now introspect. Or maybe they're in a watching mode, that let me be silent and let's see what circus is going on around me. So Pisces are going to be in silence mode. It doesn't mean that zip up, you will not talk. That silence, this is even mind, your thoughts and your heart, emotion silence I'm talking about. Also, you might be feeling very lazy. December, in itself, this is the time when all of us feel lazy, but Pisces specifically will feel very, very lazy, and the fire element will go less in you, basically. Okay, so action oriented things will be less. There'll be a lot going on in your mind, though there's a silence card. But like I said, the silence can also mean that you're introspecting. So while you're introspecting, a hell lot of circus can go on in your mind that you would think that you need to deal with yourself only. So this is for Pisces. My advice is that maybe make a friend, discuss with him or her, so that there's no bottleneck. Also, maybe something comes to completion that has been on hold or getting delayed since long. In terms of crystal, I will say wear jasper. Red jasper will be good for you. So this is about my predictions for all 12 signs for December 2020. Do like and share it with everybody whom you know, friends, family, cousins, uncle, aunties, so that they can also in advance know about their horoscope. And also leave a comment, please. It's amazing to read them. It gives me kick. And also, if you have questions, you can do that. Like I said, these are generalized prediction. If you want your specific prediction, you want us to look into your horoscope, then you may feel free to book your appointments with us. In the description box, our contact details are mentioned. Also, if you want to learn Reiki, or you want to learn tarot, any classes also, if you want, you can contact us. Or if you want to buy these crystals that I keep talking about, you can do that. Also, like I said, very soon I'm going to release my another video wherein I'm going to do entire year's prediction, upcoming year 2021 prediction for everybody, for all the 12 star sign, how your next year will look like in terms of your love and relationship, your health, your money, career, finance, family, and travel, and everything. All right. Anything else, do let us know. If you want us to make videos on any other topic, share it in the comments. It was lovely to make this video for you. Like I said, these are live readings. I don't prepare a script. I just pick up the card, start shooting, and just do the reading. Okay, it's a live reading. I connect intuitively here in front of the camera and do the readings. And now I'm going to wrap up this session. Thank you so much for watching my video and giving us so much of love. My blessings are with you. Wishing you a fantastic December month for you and your family. I love you all. Namaste.